The maintenance of patio pavers is typically a once or twice a year process. Ideally, you would gently clean the surface of your pavers frequently so they do not get dirty and that they will not need a pressure washing. What typically tends to happen though is the pavers are neglected to the point where pressure washing is the most effective and fastest way to clean the surface of the pavers. Unfortunately, all paver companies that I know of do not recommend the use of pressure washers. Pressure washers are very damaging to the surface of the paver. This causes color loss, top coat damage, and the surface of the paver to become pitted, which makes them even harder to clean. Instead, gentler cleaning options can be sprayed on, and a stiff bristle brush can help to remove any dirt and debris as long as the pavers aren't too dirty. Your local landscape supply or big box store will have suitable cleaners to use. A second reason you don't want to pressure wash your pavers is the pressure water will remove the joint sand from in between the pavers. This will have to be replaced afterward, or your pavers will start to shift. You really should avoid pressure washing if you can, so that you don't have to replace the joint sand, which is very costly and time-consuming to do. Remember, frequent cleaning with approved cleaners is how you want to clean your pavers to keep them looking their best.